In this video, you will learn how to anchor all thread or bolt to a concrete pad or footing, such as we have here, using a product known as Rockite, which is a hydraulic liquid cement. It's actually an anchoring epoxy. We'll go over it real quick. Simply put, here there's a 5-inch all thread, 1/2-inch rod that we're going to use. I'm going to use that to mount a base cleat to. That'll anchor and bolt down. Now, this particular product takes about 45 minutes to get rock tight, and in order for you to anchor equipment or structure to it, you need at least 45 minutes. Has to be a dry day, can't be damp and wet, can't be below 40 because it just simply won't work. So this particular product is made for quick anchoring. So what we did here is we took our mason's bit after we poured our footer, which is 18 inches square on this particular project, which will be an overhead canopy. You can see a ledger board being attached. Okay, and we doubled the width. So if we had a 1/2 inch, usually we're boring about 1 inch, 7/8 to 1 inch, and we're going down 5 inches, which is the full length of the rod. And then we're going to pull it upwards once we set the epoxy in there. Okay, so once that's done, the biggest thing in our challenge is to make sure that this bolt doesn't exceed our plate, because we don't want to encumber or interfere with the post being set. In this case, it's a 6x6 pressure treated, and that'll be adequate enough to keep that anchored to the patio, which obviously has its own footing at this point. And by the way, that goes down 32 inches by 18 in a shaft type. Equation is about 10 bags at 80 pounds per bag if you're doing it by bag mix. So back to the epoxy, real simple. What you'll do is you'll take this particular product. It's real silky and smooth. It's actually almost like dust when you're handling it. It's real dense. And I always just use a Wawa cup or a coffee cup. Fill it halfway up. You don't need a lot of water. Add a little bit of water to it sparingly. Use a pencil or a bit or something to stir it up. Basically what you're trying to do is make it to the consistency of liquid chocolate milk. So when I say liquid chocolate milk, it has to pour out of your cup just like chocolate milk does. And you'll know when it's mixed because you'll have no more lumps down at the bottom. Simply hold your bolt where you need to in position, squeeze your cup, and pour it right in until it tops off. Now you'll get a little bit of shrink back, that's normal. Don't bother topping it off, it won't do anything. Okay, so this was set probably about 40 minutes ago, and it's already rock tight. Okay, so that's about it. Once you're done, simply bolt your equipment down, or your cleat, whatever you're using, whatever your project may be. And what I'll do, if you look in the link below, I'll give you a link to this specific product, which is called Rockite. It's expansion concrete, and it does an amazing job. This is hard to find, so you can still get it on Amazon. It's very difficult. Home Depot and the box stores, they don't carry it anymore. Why, I don't know. They simply don't. Hope you got something out of the video. Comment if you need to. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Have a great day.